AIDS is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. HIV is a retrovirus that primarily attacks the body's immune system, specifically the CD4 cells, also known as T helper cells. These cells play a critical role in coordinating the immune response against infections and diseases. When HIV enters the body, it targets and attaches to the surface of CD4 cells. It then enters the CD4 cells and uses their cellular machinery to replicate itself. As the virus multiplies, it destroys the host CD4 cells in the process. This leads to a progressive decline in the number of CD4 cells in the body, weakening the immune system's ability to defend against infections and diseases. HIV primarily spreads through the following ways. The sexual transmission. The most common mode of HIV transmission is through sexual contact with an infected person. Unprotected sexual intercourse with an infected individual can lead to the transmission of the virus. Blood contact. HIV can be transmitted through the sharing of contaminated needles and syringes, as well as through blood transfusions with infected blood, though this is extremely rare in areas with strict screening procedures. From mother to child. An HIV-infected mother can transmit the virus to her baby during childbirth or through breastfeeding. Other bodily fluids. Although the concentration of HIV in other bodily fluids is lower than in blood and sexual secretions, transmission can still occur through contact with infected breast milk, vaginal fluids, and rectal fluids. AIDS is the advanced stage of HIV infection, occurring when the immune system has become severely damaged, and the CD4 cell count falls below a certain threshold. At this stage, the body becomes highly susceptible to opportunistic infections and certain cancers, which can lead to serious illness and, if left untreated, death. It's essential to remember that HIV/AIDS is not spread through casual contact, such as hugging, kissing, shaking hands, sharing food or drink, or through airborne transmission like a cough or sneeze. Understanding how HIV is transmitted and adopting preventive measures are crucial in curbing the spread of the virus and reducing the impact of the AIDS epidemic.